Guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorated for Dia de los Muertos, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. So in the entrance, all I have is this up there that I got at the 99 for, I believe, 99 cents. And then I have this in my little bar area on top of the bar, which, please, all of these items are from the 99, I believe, including the trees in the back there. All my little muertitos are there from the 99 as well. I think even her or them. Yep. This is probably from like 2 years ago or a year ago, along with the ones on the side. So that's all I have there. Oops. That's all I have there. And then we get to the living room, and this is what I have. My decorative pillows, also from the 99. The banner, everything on there is from the 99 as well. So that's what I have there. And then when we look at the opposite side of that wall, I have my little altarcito, my little altar, with my grandparents' pictures. It's about to be grandma's 1-year anniversary in heaven. And then next, after grandma, it will be grandpa's. So I always have this up for them, but I just added the Day of the Dead decorations. But other than that, I always have their little altar on there. This I won at a giveaway, and I just added Amor Eterno. That's also from the 99. And this one I purchased from the girl whose giveaway I won, which was that. Here in my TV stand, I do have a mess down there because my son keeps his toys there, some of his toys. But I have Tio Chencho there, Grandma, who usually doesn't go there, but I'm doing some cable box moving and all kinds of stuff. So there's a little bit of moving going around. And I have this beautiful girl. This one is my sister-in-law's. Since she had a girl and I had a guy, we decided we would take turns bringing them home. So this is my week, and I'll most likely be taking the couple, back to my parents' house next week, unless she tells me I could just keep it here. But that's what I have there. And then just mess, which my son does have a Day of the Dead truck here. I think it's this one. Yeah, look. And I have some Hot Wheels cars that I also purchased from Day of the Dead. And then back here, I have a little photo book I had made when shortly after they passed. Well, not shortly after, a few months after they passed. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. I miss him so much. Well, both of them. But my little man, my little old man. Let me see, I'll skip through the middle. Yeah, that's a good one too. I was always telling her to say cheese. So she would always say cheese. So that's her cheese face right there. Don't they look so cute there? I took those pictures of them. Grandma was really happy getting pampered, getting her makeup done by my aunt. You guys get a glimpse of my little baby boy when he was a baby. He's gonna be 4 already, guys. Grandma. So yeah, I like to keep that book there. And I do look at it every now and then. I love looking at their pictures. Next, we are in my dining room area, and I got this little tablecloth from the 99 as well, or Dollar Tree actually. I got it from Dollar Tree. The little lady was from the 99 though. And then I have my little coffee area here, which I feel like it's too crowded. My cup collection and two little skeletons there. But I feel like this area is too crowded. I might be getting rid of some stuff for now, just so that the Day of the Dead decorations stand out a little more. Just have a few little things here. And the little stands, I got the set of 3 from Target, all 3 for $5. Over my microwave, I didn't know where to put these, so I just put them over my microwave. And yeah. And then in my sink, on top of my sink, I have this old skull for the hand soap, and this very heavy skull from the 99 from a few years back. Both of them are from a few years back. And then I just got this candle warmer from Walmart for $10. And that's all I have there. On this side of my kitchen, I made this altar as well. One of my neighbors actually gave me that, I don't know what you call it, that furniture piece. They were gonna throw it out, and I said, no, I'll take it. And I decided to put it here and decorate it, and it went perfect with my decorations. I made this banner with my Cricut, and I did the designs super fast because I wanted to hang it up on my wall. The other pieces are from the 99, and I think it looks really, really good. So pretty. The colors are just all so beautiful. The cards are also from the 99, and the little kitchen utensils are from San Diego. I also made those flowers there, and the pictures, I put them together. Those are both of my parents' parents. I made a little banner for there as well. And the little lanterns are also from the 99. This section is at my parents' house, but I still wanted to show you guys their decorations because it came out so pretty, and they're still working on them. So some of these are not up yet and they're just hanging out. But yeah, look at how pretty everything is. Most of these items are also from the 99. Look at that handsome man. She's so pretty. It's gonna be their year. I already mentioned that, but it's been really hard without them, guys. Still hard, but we're decorating this little altar for them. We started doing the altars a few years back, but now we went a little bit bigger because of them. My sister-in-law made these, by the way. So pretty.